What's up YouTube? I'm Michael. Behind the camera is Ellie. We are the Bill Paying Hobbyists. Ever feel like you need that extra step up or you need some help getting to the next bar? Stick with us. Ready? Give it a Let's get to it. No, we're not talking about career advice. We're talking about taking the truck from this to this. A nice, sleek, clean look. No, I didn't just take the rails off. So yeah, we're gonna upgrade the truck from the fixed step rails that are way too high to these power step rails that we got from Amp Research. Got them on Amazon. They were like $200 cheaper on Amazon to get them through there than it was through Truck Supply, I think it was. Anyway, we got them. I got excited and opened them up and then realized I had a lot more projects to do before I could do this. So now I get to do this, and we'll take you along a little bit and show you how to do it. It says it takes 2 to 3 hours to do it. I'm gonna try to set a record, but do it right. That's gonna be interesting. So let's go take off the old ones and then we'll start putting this one together and see what we can do. Fun. All right, so I gotta take these off first. Front and back on both sides. I'm gonna take it off, take the rail off first, and I'll take the brackets off. First I gotta figure out what size they are. We're looking at about, I don't know, 3/8, 9/16 maybe. Let's go find out. Glasses. You telling me it's metric? Isn't that fun? Awesome. Maybe I'll just take them off. That's not 9/16. Hey Ford, why are you metric? Ugh. $13. It's a 13. What's this one? 13. I'm cheating. Now I'm going to the other side. All right, so now it says I need to put stuff together. Ugh. And the manual's online, so, which is kind of cool. That's not internet, there we go. So, first thing I need to do is put the power steps and the actuators together. So we got this one. Look at this monster. It's already got the, oh, that's the gear. Alright. So, let's see. Alright, so amp research, if you're watching this, you need to update your instructions because it's a T25, not a T30. Alright, step one, done! Super cab so I don't have to cut. Motor linkage mounts towards the rear of the truck with the exception of the passenger side on the super cab trucks. Mount the motor linkage in the front on the passenger side. So one goes in the front, one goes in the back. Driver's side and the back. And I need parts, bolts. Hey, I don't know if you know this. If you're looking at washers, if you're going to use washers, most people know this. You may not know this. I shouldn't say most people. If you look at the washer, all right, it has a flat side, and then on the other side it has a bevel side. That bevel side goes to the head of the bolt. Okay, the side that's flat goes up against the surface that it's tightening to. So just keep that in mind when you're putting stuff together. Alright, all the brackets are on. Something to do with the wiring harness now. Remove fuse from wiring harness. This is a monster wiring harness. Look at that. Alright, so now it says to wire the long side to the driver's side, short side to the passenger side. Alright. Done. Now when I open the door, this actually here should open. Lower. Look at that. And then it should go back up. Oh! That side works. Let's check the other side. Alright, let's see. Look at that. I feel accomplished. Now I gotta wire everything up, or tie everything up. No. One little trick, one little thing. It gets also LED lights. I gotta put those on, I think. Okay, so one other cool thing I still get to put on here is it comes with these little LED lights that I gotta put on there and connect them with butt connectors. They use 3M tape. It would have been really cool if they just used magnets. Just put frickin' earth magnets on there. 2 for this side, 2 for this side. I need to go get alcohol and paper towels. Be right back. So there you have it, we're done. No, I didn't just take the rails off, as you can see. Let's see how they work. Unlock. All right. Look at that. Steps out. They're lower, nice and strong. You can't see them in the nighttime, but you saw it in the video. LED lights. Let's check the other side. Got little LED lights down there. All right, so let's look at the other side. Here we go. Yep. Nice and strong, easy to get in. Barely even a step up now. Before it was like 3-4 inches higher. Close this. There it is. So there you have it. It's not a hard task, it's time consuming. So be sure you have enough time if you're gonna do something like that. I hope you learned something. I did. I know that when I wanna do the stereo on my truck, I'm gonna have someone else do it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. Please go do something nice for a veteran today. We love you.